Very good morning, children. Yes. So, how are you? Fine? Good. So, be healthy and safe at home. Okay? Yeah. So, today in our English class, let us see poem. Okay? Poem 2. So, hope you are aware of poem 1 very well. Yes? So, it was very easy and simple. Poem 1. Do you remember the topic of poem 1? मैंने पढ़ाया था ना पोम 1 का टॉपिक क्या है, याद में है? वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. ड्रीम. शैल आई गिव यू हिंट? ड्रीम, स्लीप, विंग्स. गेस व्हाट इट इज? ऑन विंग्स ऑफ स्लीप. तो पोम 1 क्या था? ऑन विंग्स ऑफ स्लीप. सो टुडे इज पोम 2. सो लेट अस डिस्कस पोम 2 टुडे. ठीक? या. So what is the topic of poem 2? पोम 2 का टॉपिक क्या है? आपने बुक में देखा है क्या? Did you watch? Did you see? Here it is. Rain in summer. Summer. ठीक है? Rain in summer. Summer आपको मालूम है ना? When did summer starts? Month of March. March, April, May. Fully it will be summer, no? Very very hot. गर्मी गर्मी है ना? हाँ. तो can you guess this? Rain in summer. The poet, what he comes to say about this topic, this title, Rain in Summer. Any guesses? Just think now. So when it is too hot, too matlab very hot in summer, what is the common thing that people talk about? बहुत गर्मी होगा ना तो तब people what they will think, what they need. When the earth begins very dry, you can't see greenish anywhere, no green leaves, only full dry leaves, brown color. So no, it won't be green color. Around you, no green, nothing. So what will you think? About what? Something will come in your mind, no? What will come in your mind? Yes, rain. है ना? When it rains, around you everything will be greenish. होगा ना? हाँ. So, how you feel the first shower of rain after a long summer? Summer के बाद first rain होगा ना? तो how will you feel? How will you feel? You will enjoy, right? Full of enjoyment will be there, right? Joy will be there. You will feel very happy, no? Joy, enjoyment, all. क्या बात कर रही हूँ? Joy, happiness. It will be happiness, yeah? Sometimes you will play in rain also. है ना? You will play in rain. So you will welcome the rain. Yes or no? You will feel very happy because it was very hot. Very hot in summer. 2-3 months fully hot. Very गर्मी no? बहुत गर्मी था. So when rain comes, you will welcome the rain. Yes. So here the poet. Let me say poet afterwards. Who's the poet of the poem? I'll say you later. लेकिन यहाँ तो this poet, no, he experiences, he shares his experience. ठीक है? He shares his experience about rain after the summer. ठीक है? After the summer, when the rain starts now, he experiences, he shares of his experience. ठीक है? Shares the experiences. Let us see what he shares. So first, poet. We should know who's the poet of the poem. है ना? तो who's the poet? See, we used to say H.W. Longfellow. ठीक है? H.W. Longfellow. Mostly everywhere it will be written as H.W. Longfellow. I'll show you in this poem also. पोम का डाउन नीचे भी ऐसा ही लिखा है. I'll show you. ठीक है? लेकिन द फुल फॉर्म इज हेनरी वाट्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो. क्या है? हेनरी वाट्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो. So he was born on 1807 and he was passed away on 1882. Okay, first let me read and I'll explain you. H.W. Longfellow was a very popular American poet. Many of his poems are simple and talk about things we encounter every day. Okay? So I have said when he was born and when he was dead. Okay, so he was an American poet, not an Indian poet. American poet and he was very famous. Popular matlab famous. Okay? So many of his poems are simple, very simple. ज़्यादा luxurious, difficult words वो नहीं है, very simple it will be. And talk about things we encounter every day. तो encounter मतलब we experience every day. तो उनका this poem है ना, writings, poem का writings, everything it will be based upon the daily day what we experience in our life. No, so this in our life we experience about rain है ना, हमको rain मालूम है, we experience the rain, हमको पता है how the rain it is, when the rain comes how the surroundings will be, how the nature, how the environment will be, वो सब हमको पता है, हमको मालूम है. तो about our this is our experience ना. Yes, so that only he encounters, he shares. ठीक है, encounter here मतलब experiences. ठीक है, so that only he have shared most of his writings. ठीक, yeah. So in this poem Longfellow describes the rain. So in this poem he says about, describe मतलब he says, he states about rain, its sounds and movement. Okay, rain का, बारिश का sound, बारिश है ना, rain मतलब बारिश, तो बारिश का sounds and movement, how is moving, how is flowing, movement मतलब how is flowing. ठीक है, he welcomes the rain after the hot and dusty summer months. Okay, after the summer month he welcomes. So even we welcome now after 2-3 summer month, when first time or second time rain comes, we will be very happy. Yes or no? We will enjoy the rain. We will welcome the rain. See, after the hot and dusty summer month, he welcomes the rain. Got it? Understood? So very simple and easy. Next, let us go for the new words. आपको new words पता होना चाहिए ना? Very easy. Okay, seeing it will be difficult, लेकिन when you read once, so easy and super. See, so let me say this new words first, so that when we go for the topic na poem, so that time it will be familiar for you to know the hard words, the meanings, new words. Okay, so first new words, see, fiery. Okay, what is this? Fiery, F-I-E-R-Y, fiery matlab very hot, like fire. You know no fire, how fire it is, very hot. तो fiery मतलब very hot like fire. Okay, clatters, क्या है? clatters, C-L-A-T-T-E-R-S, clatters. तो clatters मतलब makes a loud harsh noise. ठीक है, makes a loud harsh noise like things knocking against one another. Knocking matlab the door will knock, someone will knock the door. No, knock matlab like that the sound will come. No, we won't tap 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 like that, we won't do like that, we will knock the door. No, that is the sound of knocking. तो यहाँ clatters matlab loud sound, harsh sound also the same meaning है, loud only. ठीक है, so like a things knocking against one another. So when the rain comes, tap 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 tap, that sound comes now, like in door, in windows, all like knocking sound we can hear. Yes, trump of hoops, trump of hoops matlab hoofs, yeah, see, hoofs. So like this also we can write, VES also we can write. Okay, both is right only, correct. Okay, See the sound that horses hoofs make. Hoofs make matlab that horse foot is there, no? That foot, tuck 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 tuck, that sound will come now when horse runs. Whether you have experienced that, whether you have heard that, matlab whether you have heard that when the horse runs, tuck 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 sound comes now, that sound is called tramp of hoofs. Okay, tramp of hoofs, that sound. So very easy and simple. See, gushes, क्या है? Gushes, flows out suddenly and with great force. Gushes. So when the water flows, no, whether it will flow very slowly, धीरे धीरे आएगा क्या? नहीं, very fast, no? Very fast water will flow. तो suddenly मतलब immediately, great force, with the force. ठीक है? Spout. Next is spout. 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 S-P-O-U-T. Spout. Spout मतलब a tube-like opening through which liquid can be poured out. ठीक है, तो ट्यूब लाइक ओपनिंग, नथिंग, वेरी सिंपल, ट्यूब लाइक ओपनिंग. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दैट लिक्विड विल बी पोर्ड. लिक्विड मतलब यू कैन कीप वाटर ऑल्सो. तो यहाँ ये स्पाउट है ना, तो ये स्पाउट लाइक ट्यूब यू कैन कीप लाइक ट्यूब. ओके, सो लिक्विड कैन मूव नो थ्रू द ट्यूब. या स्पाउट मतलब ट्यूब यू कीप. यहाँ भी इट इज गिवन हो या ट्यूब लाइक ओपनिंग. हाँ, गटर. सी द नेक्स्ट वन, गटर. G-U-T-T-E-R, क्या है? गटर मतलब एन ओपन ट्यूब एट द एज ऑफ द एज. क्या है? एज. एट द एज ऑफ द रूफ दैट कलेक्ट्स एंड कैरीज अवे रेन वाटर. ठीक है, ये भी लाइक ट्यूब है. ठीक है, ओपन ट्यूब. In some of the house they have used to keep no open tube, open pipe. See, open pipe, like open pipe they will keep to flow the rain water. Okay, so from upstairs to down they will keep no pipe. So it will collect the rain water from the roof. Top है ना, top. Roof मतलब top layer. So from the top layer it will top layer. किसका top layer? Roof, house है ना, हाउस और बिल्डिंग कुछ भी. ठीक है, तो टॉप लेयर का हाउस और बिल्डिंग का टॉप लेयर इट विल कलेक्ट दी वाटर, रेन वाटर और एनी वाटर एंड इट विल कैरी डाउन. तो वो ट्यूब है, वो पाइप है. ठीक है, क्लियर नाउ? सो वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. सी, फायरी, क्लटर्स, ट्रम्प ऑफ हूफ्स, गशर्स, स्पाउट, गटर. ठीक है, सो वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. लेकिन आपको ये न्यू वर्ड्स है ना, एटलीस्ट 3 times आपको पढ़ना है. सो एटलीस्ट, एंड दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो यू कैन वॉच 3 times. You watch this, or in book you read 3 or 4 times so that you can understand very well. Because now this full words, every word, it seems to be new for you. न्यू है ना ये सब, तो ये सब न्यू है, न्यू वर्ड्स है. तो यू विल फॉरगेट इफ यू वॉच 1 time. तो एटलीस्ट 2 times 3 times आपको रीड करना है या तो वीडियो देखना है. इफ यू वॉच 2 times or 3 times द वीडियो, दिस न्यू वर्ड्स विल बी वेरी फेमिलियर फॉर यू. ठीक, हाँ. सो दिस इज अ पोम, ये है. ठीक, सी है, मैंने बोला था ना, सी है. W-H Longfellow. In short, most of the time it will be given in short. मैंने बोला था ना, W-H Longfellow, American poet है. ठीक है, see here. So this boy, no, he is watching the rain and he is feeling. See what the poet has written. Let us watch. Yeah. So how beautiful is the rain? Okay, How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain, how it clustered along the roofs, how it clatters along the roofs, like the chump of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the glitter rose. The rain, the welcome rain. Okay, so यहाँ ना most of the lines, see, he has given the upper what is that, exclamatory mark है ना. तो for what purpose क्यों exclamatory mark है? ये exclamatory mark है ना, क्यों? see, बहुत ज़्यादा है ना. why? because why we will use exclamatory mark? क्यों? मैंने बोला था ना, for what purpose? he wonders. ठीक है, he wonders, excitement. wow, we will say no, wow, super, excellent. we used to say no, yeah. तो वहाँ in that place exclamatory mark should be there. तो here also the poet, he wonders, he exclaims, exclamatory mark. ठीक है, that's why exclamatory mark is there. exciting. ठीक है, yeah. तो that's why exclamatory mark आता है. So come, let's go for the topic now. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. So what? He is wondering the rain. ठीक है, beauty of the rain after the dust and heat. So most of the summer time fully dust. Some wind, if wind also comes, whole dust it will be there, no? Yes, very very heat and dust. ठीक है, in the broad and fiery street. broad मतलब long, fiery मतलब in new words मैंने बोला था ना, very hot, like fire street. तो very hot, so long and fire street it is. street आपको मालूम है ना, street. तो how broad, how long. तो यहाँ आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. you just underline the word broad and you have to write long, long, long. broad मतलब long, इसलिए मैंने बोला था डिक्शनरी यूज करने के लिए. so if you use dictionary मतलब you can know the meaning. so use dictionary, or else in this poem I will say the meaning of some words. you can listen and write also. okay, see, in the broad मतलब long, long and fiery street. fiery मतलब very hot, like fire, very hot street. see, in the narrow lane, narrow lane मतलब what? in a straight, lengthy, land only. ठीक है, place only, road. ठीक है, land मतलब road. तो in the long straight road, how beautiful. so क्या है long straight road, क्या है? this fiery street only they are saying. ठीक है, ये hot street, see, very long, very straight lane road, it is very hot. ठीक है, how beautiful is the rain. again he exclaims, wow, how beautiful the rain is. how it clatters along the roofs. ठीक है, clatters मैंने क्या बोला? makes loud noise, no? like knocking against the doors or windows. ठीक है, तो through the roofs मतलब मैंने पहले ही बोला था ना, top layer, upper layer, so of the building. From the building, if rain falls, no, raindrop. Rain matlab raindrop, when it falls, tuck 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 tuck, the sound will come. No, that's what that clatters. How it clatters along the roof. How it falls in the roof. Okay. What falls? Raindrops. Rain. Okay. Like the trump of hoofs. Like the trump of hoofs. Trump of hoofs matlab that मैंने बोला था ना in new words. Horse, foot of horse, leg है ना, leg. So that how it is. You have seen that part. Tup 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 tup. It will run like that, no? Yeah, that foot, that leg. So like that sound comes when it rains, when it touches the roof. Okay? How it gushes, and struggles out. ठीक है, गशेस मतलब क्या बोला इन न्यू वर्ड्स? फ्लोज आउट सडनली बोला था ना, विथ अ ग्रेट फोर्स. तो दैट रेन वाटर, नो, विथ अ ग्रेट फोर्स. ओके, इमीडिएटली फुल्ली इट इज फ्लोइंग. बट द रेन विल फ्लो स्लोली. रेन वाटर धीरे धीरे चलेगा क्या? ना, विथ अ वेरी हेवी फोर्स. So how heavy force it is coming, and struggling also. Struggling matlab, no, it will rush and come, no. Now huge people are there, crowd are there. When a whole, now in a class, no, 100 people are sitting. Okay, you keep students only. So 100 students are there. When I ask you to go out, how will you go? You will, no, you will rush and go outside. You will push him or her, push everyone, fall here and there. You will run, no? So that is called a struggle. Okay? So you won't have free space, नहीं होगा, place नहीं होगा ना जाने के लिए, तो you will push everyone and you will go out. वो struggle है. तो if only 10 students are in the class and I ask you to go out, मतलब slowly you can go because more space is there. Only 10 students are there, so you can go slowly. Now can you understand struggle मतलब क्या है? So water is also, that rainwater also struggles and comes out, goes out, because heavy rain will be there, no? So full rain it will go out from the roof or from the pipe. See, next line you can understand. So where, ma'am, heavily it comes. See how it struggles matlab, from the throat of the overflowing spout. Okay, spout. So overflowing spout. Spout मैंने बोला था ना, new words. That tube, like opening tube, that liquid will flow out. तो like in the tube, throat, आपको मालूम है ना, आपके पास throat, talking, no, the throat in the neck side. So that in tube, no, in tube when the water should flow, मतलब how it will flow? It will struggle and flow. Spout, okay? Overflowing spout, it will struggle and flow out. Understand? So very very easy and simple, लेकिन आपको understand होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So it will struggle to flow the water, no, full drain it will struggle and it will go, right? See, across the window pane, कहाँ? See, across the window pane. So it will cross the window pane also. It will move the window pane. Window pane. Pane matlab in window glasses will be there, no? So glasses. That whole window glasses, everything, it will cross and go. Okay? From one side to another side, fully water will flow, no? Yes. It pours and pours. Kya pours? Water pours, no? So water pours. You flow, water flow, no, flow होगा ना, FLOW, flow होगा, ठीक है? तो water will flow. यहाँ across मतलब from one place to another place, from one side to another side. Hold the window pans, everywhere it will flow, water will flow. See, pours मतलब flow. And swift and wide, ठीक है? Swift मतलब quickly. Slowly won't water come, no? Rain will come slowly, drop by drop it will come. नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा आएगा ना, बारिश ज़्यादा होगा ना. हाँ, तो swift मतलब quickly, ठीक है? Wide मतलब to the full extent, fully. तो quickly and fully water will come with a muddy tide. ठीक है, muddy tide. mud आपको मालूम है ना, down नीचे mud will be there no in yellow color, in orange color, light orange color. Some mud like clay, some mud, no, that what is like a green, what, oh god, black color mud will be there, then light orange color mud will be there, no. तो with a muddy tide, yeah, tide मतलब no, rising and falling. ठीक है, in a sea we will say rising and falling of sea, rising and falling of water we will say. लेकिन यहाँ तो in mud water raindrops are falling, in mud raindrops are falling. So कैसा, see like a river down, river comes down, no, whether river will go up, नहीं नीचे आएगा ना, या तो like river comes down, rain is also dropping down. ठीक है, next the gutter roars, the gutter roars, the sound. Okay, the gutter, तो gutter का मीनिंग क्या बोला, न्यू वर्ड्स में मैंने बोला था ना, like a open pipe. Okay, so in every house the, see like this, all in picture you can see. So water will flow like this, then pipe all they will keep, no, so like that in pipe water will go. ठीक है, so it won't store anywhere, or it won't come inside the home house, it won't come. So like this, if they keep pipe matlab from the top layer, from the top of the house, water it will store in this pipe and it will come down. यही मैंने बोला था, forcefully बोला था ना, very heavily, forcefully, struggle out, यहाँ मैं बोला था ना, हाँ struggle out, तो it will come down. ठीक है, roars बोला था ना, roars ना full deep, तो fully deeply it will come here. ठीक है, the gutter roars. ठीक है, gutter roars मतलब in the pipe of edge of the roof, in roof, no, edge of the roof they will keep the pipe like this, so it will collect the rainwater and come down. ठीक है, the rain, welcome rain, finish, हो गया ना, तो he is welcoming the rain. So very short to say, see the poet now, he is welcoming the rain after a long summer. ठीक है, summer was very dust and heat, so after a long summer when the rain comes, it was very happy for him. So the street was very long and very fiery because due to the heat, due to the summer, very lengthy land also, land matlab that road very lengthy it was. So when that rain comes, he felt very happy. When it rains, it is like knocking the door, like someone will knock the door, no, yeah. So the poet feels someone is knocking the door, like that the raindrops are there. ठीक है, raindrops, it was seems to be like that. Okay, हाँ, then even the raindrops, no, like मैंने बोला था ना, horse sound, that sound it will come, no, ton 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 ton. So horse, how it will run, so that time sound comes, no, so like that the rain comes, makes noises out. Okay, then what I said, then water fully in force it comes, it is not coming very slowly, from force it comes and it flows down like and then water flows from the window pans also, from one place to another place, some window pans flowing out, water is flowing out bola. Then it flows very fastly, not slowly, very quickly. And in mud, मैंने बोला था ना, in mud down नीचे, in mud it water comes like a tide, waves, like a sea waves, no, like a tide it falls from the top. Okay, then at last gutters बोला था ना, gutters rose very deeply, heavily, in a pipe it comes. Then at last rain, welcome rain. That's it, very easy, small poem only. यहाँ तो वर्ड्स मीनिंग्स है ना, वो वर्ड डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि you are the first time, I hope you are, I don't know whether you have read these words or not. If you didn't read मतलब this is the first time, तो जब भी first time we are reading, no, it will be little difficult for us. 2-3 times if you read it will be easy. ठीक है, तो यही है पोम, वेरी इजी है ना. हाँ, तो जस्ट रीड, आपको सुनना है. फर्स्ट लिसन करो ये पोम को 2-3 times. You listen this poem, watch the video 2-3 times. It will be very easy. Then write the new words. ड्रा करने के लिए हाँ मैंने नहीं बोला, डोंट से मैम यू हैव सेड टू ड्रा करने के लिए नहीं बोला, आपको लिखना है. मैंने बोला था ना some new words in the poem मैंने बोला. So in the poem आपको डिक्शनरी देखना है. watch, see the dictionary, refer the dictionary and write. or else मैंने यहाँ while taking the poem मैंने बोला था ना some new words in English में बोला था. you underline the word and write in English itself. ठीक है, go through this poem. Bye, thank you. Be safe and healthy at home. Okay.